Well, howdy y'all, Reginald GrubbZ here, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing for y'all. We got our Monster Bass box from October, and we have a little surprise package from Mr. Jesse Hillis. Now, Mr. Jesse here, he's a wonderful guy. He's been following the channel for quite some time, and he knew that we needed a little something after we broke a little something. So he sent us this. I know it's in here, so we're going to quickly open this one up. I'm going to show you guys real quick, and let's go from there. That is nice, Mr. Jesse Hillis. This is the SPRO Laser AH American Hero by Loops. That's nice. Now it's a right-handed reel, so it's going to be difficult for me, but it'll actually help me slow down. I've used right-hand reels before, so we might pair this up with the Yamamoto stick and use this for flipping and pitching. That way it slows us down quite a bit. But man, oh man, that's nice. Oh, thank you so much, Mr. Jesse. This is so nice. 6:4:1 gear ratio on that sumbitch. That's real nice. That's real nice, Jesse. Thanks, brother. Listen, y'all, if you want to ever send anything into the show, you're more than welcome to get in touch with me on social media, and I'll send you my address, and you can send me whatever you want. I can use it on the channel. Wow, that's nice. It's nice and clean, too. What a gentleman. Alright, y'all, let's get into this real quick. Let's open this sumbitch. Alright, let's see what we have here. This is the Monsterbass box for the Northeast. Would you look at that. Nice little crankbait. Dives from 4 to 8 feet. That's a nice looking crankbait right there. Nice bluegill pattern. Real nice. And another crankbait. This one here's from Monsterbass. They made this one themselves. I love that pattern. That's real nice. It's called a hammerhead. It's a square bill. It's 1/3 ounce. Now in the fall time, it's nice to throw a bluegill pattern because a lot of those bluegills that aren't doing too well, they're gonna start to die, lose their strength. That's when them big bass come and they gobble them right up. Look at that, folks. That's real nice. Really nice. Alright, we got the XRM 80 jerkbait. Check that sumbitch out. That's a nice little jerkbait. That's 2 to 4 feet. 2 to 4 feet. Got ourselves a lovely Alex Rudd sticker. If y'all don't follow Alex Rudd, check the link in the bio. Leave him a link down below. That's Mr. Alex Rudd. That's a nice sticker. Let's see if there's a thunder cricket. That's a chatterbait. That's a great fall bait up here in the Northeast. We got 2 different styles of craws. We have the River to Sea, Mad Yabby, and Bruiser baits, Crazy Craw. And then we also have these Bama baits, stick baits that are like a Senko. Real nice. I'm going to be pairing them up with these crazy looking hooks they sent us here. Those are real nice. Real nice. So that's a nice box we have here. A couple crankbaits, a jerkbait. This thunder cricket looks sexy as hell. And that's that. That's the unboxing today, folks. Really happy about it. We really enjoy the baits we got from Monsterbass. And most of all, we have to thank Mr. Jesse Hillis one more time for sending us this real nice reel. We're going to put this sumbitch to the test real quick. Alright, y'all. Now, tomorrow's quick review, we're also going to be talking about the giveaway winners for this past week's giveaway. So if y'all haven't entered the giveaway, you still have one more day to enter. Now go up and check out this picture right here. We're giving away the Gary Yamamoto hat, spinnerbait, and the Senkos and the Coaster. So y'all want to go check that out, just leave a comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed and whatnot, and like the video. And you can also head on over to our Instagram and enter that one too. We're going to be doing both of those giveaway winners tomorrow. Thank y'all for tuning in with us today, and we'll catch y'all on the next one when we drop one of these bangers. Make sure y'all are subscribed, because they just keep coming and coming. Alright y'all, have a great day. Fish on.
Dump and jump for the shit. All top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the field, say vivid for the ears. I know that